Okay. I also కొంచెం no.
Because who tried in this inverter is Tamil person.
Tamil person.
Tamil person tried. So that's why Tamil.
I also know a little bit English.
Little bit English. No.
Little bit Tamil.
How can we communicate?
English. No problem. I understand. Okay. Movie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Arshini
These actors. You
You
share.
see in video.
See connection. So we check for AC okay. Inverter and tubular side switch. Back side.
Okay.
Next one. Negative to battery. Positive to according to our VDC. This inverter rating should be on 10. Transformer this is 3 kVA 36 volts. Okay. So I connect to 36 volts. Okay. Connections completed. Load connection at inverter socket. Load.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Connections completed. Next. Switch on battery MCB. First. Okay. Two MCBs, right? One is battery, one is
Inverter.
battery MCB on. This one. Okay. This is also battery MCB. Two battery MCBs. Middle button long press. Middle button for opening the option, enter the value. Okay. Right side button for increase. That is move the value. Backward, left side, backward, and decrease the value. Okay. First long press. Switch on. Then the display shows enter setup M.
Okay.
Okay. Then use upper button or down button, whatever you want. Then it shows enter setup Y. Then press enter. Okay. Changing enter setup N to Y. Okay. So middle button long press. Switch on this. Connector is not pressed. Every time I connect this.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
That's fine.
Arshini,
చెప్పు
keyboard ఏం ప్రాబ్లం?
ఇవి కదా పెడుతున్నాం అది ఇది ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తాను
అది అయిపోయింది ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దామా?
అది అయిపోయి చెక్ చేయాలి ఏది డిస్ప్లే ప్రాబ్లమో తెలియట్లేదు కొన్నాటికి సేమ్ పిన్స్ పడుతున్నాయి కొన్నాటికి రివర్స్ పిన్స్ పడుతున్నాయి ఏదో ఈ కలెక్టర్ మాకేం అర్థం కాదు
నాకైతే ఆన్లైన్ కాదు.
Go to no load.
No load.
First one option calibration, second one no load. Enter. Okay. 1000/150. That means okay. No problem. Can you proceed to next step? If it shows 0 means stop. Test here.
That's the problem.
Stop. MCB off. Battery MCB off. Sorry. It should not go to like this. Have to show version. Because we are testing, right? So it has to show like
Fan is not rotating.
that. When it's showing grid out, that means again MCB off and on.
Okay.
AC out is coming now. That time fan is not running. AC out में नहीं चला. Only during load set okay.
Okay, next instruction. Long press enter setup N to Y. Which is to parameters.
Raman